Can one tiny budget tweak actually grow your money? What if your spending habits are the secret to unlocking wealth? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the simple budget hack that made me money. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: budgeting and financial management. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances or struggled to save money, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share a simple budget hack that not only helped me regain control over my spending, but also put extra cash back in my pocket. We'll explore practical strategies that can transform your financial habits without feeling like a chore. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you, identify areas where you can cut costs, and discover the power of tracking your expenses. But it's not just about saving, it's about improving your overall financial health. Imagine being able to save for that dream vacation or pay off debt faster. This video is designed to be engaging and informative, providing you with actionable tips that you can implement right away. So, if you're ready to take charge of your finances and unlock the potential for saving money, stick around. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. Understanding budgeting basics. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for your money, allowing you to allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. It's a crucial aspect of personal finance management because it helps you understand where your money is going and ensures you live within your means. By having a budget, you can make informed financial decisions that align with your goals. There are several common budgeting methods to consider. One popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Another effective method is zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a specific purpose, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. The benefits of having a budget are significant. It can reduce financial stress by providing clarity and control over your spending. With a budget in place, you'll be better equipped to manage unexpected expenses, save for future goals, and ultimately achieve greater financial stability. Embracing budgeting can lead to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Identifying your expenses. Tracking and categorizing your expenses is a vital step in effective budgeting. Start by listing all your monthly expenses, which can be divided into fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities and insurance, and variable costs such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. This comprehensive overview will give you a clearer picture of where your money is going each month. To make this process easier, consider using tools and apps designed for expense tracking. Popular options like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, can help you monitor your spending in real time, categorize expenses, and even set financial goals. These tools often provide visual insights into your spending habits, making it easier to identify trends. Understanding your spending habits is crucial for pinpointing areas where you can save. By analyzing your expenses, you may discover unnecessary subscriptions or impulse purchases that can be cut back. This awareness not only helps you save money, but also empowers you to make more informed financial decisions moving forward. So grab a pen and paper or open your favorite budgeting app, and let's get started on this journey to better financial health. The simple budget hack. One of the most effective budget hacks that transformed my financial situation is the cash-only approach, often referred to as the envelope system. This method involves withdrawing a set amount of cash for specific spending categories each month, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. By using cash instead of cards, you create a tangible limit on your spending, making it easier to stick to your budget. When I first tried this hack, I allocated a certain amount for groceries and put that cash into an envelope. Once the cash was gone, I couldn't spend any more in that category until the next month. This simple shift helped me become more mindful of my purchases and significantly reduced impulse buying. I found myself planning meals better and seeking out sales, which ultimately led to noticeable savings. I encourage you to give this hack a try. Start by identifying a few categories where you tend to overspend and set cash limits for each. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this approach works for you and any tips you discover along the way. Implementing the hack. Now that you're familiar with the cash-only approach, let's break down the steps to integrate this budget hack into your existing financial plan. First, start by reviewing your current budget and identifying categories where you tend to overspend. Common areas include groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Next, determine a realistic cash limit for each category based on your spending habits. Withdraw that amount in cash and place it into labeled envelopes for each category. This visual representation will help you stay accountable and aware of your spending. To keep yourself motivated, set specific financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear objectives will encourage you to stick to the cash-only method. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and adjust your budget. At the end of each month, assess how well you adhere to your cash limits and whether your spending aligns with your goals. If you find certain categories need adjustments, don't hesitate to tweak your limits. This ongoing process will help you refine your budgeting skills and achieve greater financial success. Tracking progress and adjustments. Once you've implemented the cash-only approach, it's crucial to monitor your financial progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Start by keeping a record of your savings and spending. You can use a simple spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a notebook to track how much cash you're using in each category. This will help you see where you're succeeding and where you might need to tighten your belt. Regular check-ins are essential for assessing the effectiveness of your budget hack. Set aside time each week or month to review your spending patterns and savings goals. Ask yourself questions like, are you staying within your cash limits? Are you reaching your financial goals? This reflection will help you stay accountable and motivated. Flexibility is key in budgeting. Life circumstances can change, whether it's a new job, unexpected expenses, or shifts in your financial goals. Be open to adjusting your cash limits or categories as needed. Adapting your budget to fit your current situation will not only keep you on track, but also empower you to make informed financial decisions that align with your evolving needs. In conclusion, we explored a simple yet powerful budget hack, the cash-only approach. We discussed how this method can help you gain better control over your spending by using physical cash for specific categories. By tracking your expenses, setting clear financial goals, and regularly reviewing your budget, you can significantly improve your financial health and reduce stress. The key takeaways are clear. Implementing this budget hack can lead to increased savings, more mindful spending, and a greater sense of financial empowerment. Remember, flexibility is essential, so don't hesitate to adjust your budget as your circumstances change. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. We'd also love to hear from you. Share your own budgeting experiences in the comments below. What strategies have worked for you? Don't forget to explore our related content on budgeting and financial management. Together, we can navigate the path to financial freedom and make smarter money choices. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care